Welcome to CashQ. This Etsy store, Heather Roberts Art, generates over $60,000 in revenue per month and over $700,000 per year. I believe she may run multiple stores. However, this store alone in total has made her just under $2.5 million in revenue, which is crazy. Now, let us show you how you can do the same. This is Heather Roberts Art Store on Etsy. We previously showed you the revenue for. This store purely sells digital art, ranging from heart shapes to fall designs like this one. As you can see here, these are just digital download files, easy to sell as you don't need to worry about shipping or anything. In the past, you would need high-quality graphic design skills to produce pieces like these. However, thanks to latest AI tools and software, these can now be created within seconds. Here's how you can create them. Previously, Midjourney was the #1 place for AI-generated art. Unfortunately, it is no longer free to use. However, you can use the free Leonardo.ai to produce the same high-quality content. Just head over to the site and create an account. You can say you're whitelisted. Once at the home page, click on AI image generation in the left sidebar. From here, set your settings to produce 4 images. Your dimensions to be 1024 by 1024 pixels. And lastly, turn tiling on. You can then input your prompt. For now, we are just going to produce a fall wallpaper similar to what we saw on the previous Etsy store. This generation normally takes around 30 seconds, depending on your internet speed. So we'll speed it up for you now. Here, you can see the 4 generated images requested. Simply pick your favorite and download it. However, like the store previously shown, you will most likely have more success when selling a bundle as it gives the buyer more choice. Now we'll show you how to create your own Etsy store. To start, go to etsy.com/sell and click Get Started. From here, you can then sign in or create an account. For this tutorial, I'm just going to continue with Google. Here, you simply choose what brings you to Etsy. Most likely, you're starting to sell for the first time. I've then selected to see resources for selling online. However, you can select all that apply to you. The next step is creating your shop. Select your shop's language and then name your shop. If you need help with a name for your shop, ChatGPT is a great tool to help. Once you're at this stage, you can add your first listing. You can go ahead and upload pictures, however we'd recommend creating separate pictures to upload for the listing, like the store we showed you at the start. You can again use Leonardo AI to produce these images and simply put your text over the top. This part is fairly straightforward as you just go through and fill out everything for your listing, so we'll just skim over it. Make sure to select the right category as digital prints and that the item type is digital. You can then input your description. A tip for this is to look at other Etsy stores and see what they have in their description. Choose your price. Bear in mind these normally sell for £1 to £2. This may not sound like much, but when you can create multiple listings selling to multiple people, it quickly amounts to a lot, just like with the store we showed you at the beginning. After you've filled out all the required fields, you can upload your digital files like this. However, you may need to update their names first. Previously, we said to create a separate set of pictures for the listing. Here's how. Back on Leonardo AI, this is the prompt we used to create something similar to the store we showed you at the very start. Bear in mind, you would have to use the same very specific prompt you used to create the designs for this as well, so that the buyer knows exactly what they're purchasing. To avoid confusion, we would recommend you also upload a couple of your finalized designs with a watermark over the top so they can see what they are buying beforehand. Once you have generated pictures you're happy with, you can then use them for the front page of your listing. That's how simple the side hustle really is. And the amount of money this can generate is insane, as you saw from the store at the beginning of the video. However, remember, just because you're utilizing AI, it doesn't mean that AI will do all the work for you. This still requires effort on your behalf. To maximize your profits, we would recommend having a range of different types of designs, graphic art, and all sorts of digital content to purchase from your store. You can easily make upwards of $5,000 per month, starting out as a beginner with this side hustle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into the ever-evolving landscape of technology and creativity. Feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Until next time, keep creating and profiting off these AI money opportunities.